Today I am reviewing the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze air fryer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Air fryers have completely transformed how we cook at home, turning greasy, time-consuming meals into quick, crispy, and significantly healthier dishes. However, as the technology has matured, many users have noticed a few common limitations with traditional models. They can be incredibly loud, the nonstick chemical coatings can wear down over time, and a single static fan speed often results in unevenly cooked food. That is why appliance manufacturers are focusing heavily on smarter heat management and safer materials. Today, we are taking a deep, comprehensive look at a major leap forward in kitchen technology, the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze 6-quart air fryer, finished in a beautiful dark gray. This machine introduces commercial-grade fan customization, an eco-friendly cooking interior, and a massive temperature spectrum designed to handle everything from delicate baking to high-intensity roasting. The defining breakthrough of this appliance is its innovative TurboBlaze technology. Moving away from standard, single-speed motors, Cosori has engineered a unique 5-speed fan system powered by an efficient direct current motor that can ramp up to a blistering 3,600 revolutions per minute. Because different cooking styles require different levels of airflow, the air fryer automatically matches its fan speed to the specific preset you choose. For instance, when you select the high-velocity air fry or broil modes, the fan spins at maximum speed to rapidly circulate intense heat for optimal crispiness. Conversely, when you switch to delicate functions like baking or proofing dough, the system slows the fan down to prevent your food from drying out or shifting on the tray. This smart airflow system is perfectly paired with an expanded temperature spectrum stretching from a gentle 90 degrees all the way up to a searing 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This massive range unlocks incredible culinary versatility. On the lower end, the 90-degree setting allows you to easily proof bread dough or dehydrate fresh fruits, meats, and herbs over several hours. On the higher end, the 450-degree sealing delivers an incredible punch of heat that sears meats faster and creates a perfectly crispy exterior on French fries while keeping the inside beautifully juicy, all while utilizing up to 95% less oil than a traditional deep fryer. For health-conscious families, the physical construction of the cooking basket is a massive selling point. Cosori has completely eliminated traditional chemical coatings, opting instead for a premium, PFAS-free nonstick ceramic coating across both the basket and the crisper plate. This ceramic upgrade is inherently scratch-resistant, highly durable under extreme heat, and ensures that no toxic fumes or chemical residues ever make contact with your family's food. Furthermore, the 6-quart square basket features a wide, deep profile that maximizes usable surface area. It easily accommodates a whole 5-pound chicken or large batches of family-sized side dishes without requiring a massive, bulky footprint that takes over your entire kitchen countertop. Despite its incredible fan speeds and raw heating power, the TurboBlaze operates with remarkable noise control. Even when running at its maximum 3,600 revolution per minute speed, the advanced direct current motor keeps the noise level under 53 decibels. This means you can comfortably carry on a conversation, listen to a podcast, or watch television right next to the machine without the intrusive, vacuum cleaner-like roar common to older air fryers. Once your meal is finished, cleanup is incredibly simple. Both the ceramic-coated basket and the crisper plate are entirely dishwasher-safe, allowing you to spend less time scrubbing over the sink and more time enjoying your dinner. To round out the premium user experience, the top control panel features a sleek, responsive touchscreen interface with a customizable preheat toggle, giving you total flexibility over your cooking process. Cosori also packs an envelope inside the box containing a beautiful, full-color recipe cookbook and detailed cooking charts crafted by professional in-house chefs and registered dietitians to help you get started immediately. Ultimately, the Cosori TurboBlaze 6-quart air fryer sets an entirely new benchmark for countertop convection appliances. By combining a 5-speed dynamic fan, a healthy ceramic interior, whisper-quiet operation, and an expansive temperature range into an elegant dark gray chassis, it delivers a masterclass in kitchen versatility. Thank you so much for listening to this comprehensive breakdown. and happy cooking.